friends. Welcome. It's so snowy where I am right now on Cape Cod. I hope it's warm and sunny where you are. Let me know where you're watching from. So today I'm really excited about this meditation because it's designed to help you really listen, really get in touch and check in with your body and your mind so that you can better understand how to nourish and take care of yourself, because it really all begins with awareness. So understanding how to better take care of ourselves, we really need to be aware of how we're feeling and listening to the cues that our body and our mind are sending us. Hi from Philadelphia. Awesome. Welcome everybody. Awesome. So if you're new to me, my name is Pelletier. I'm a 500-hour registered yoga and meditation instructor, and I run my page at zucchini.who. I have lots of yoga and meditation on there as well. But for this meditation, all you'll need is something to sit on, maybe a pillow or a chair, and just your breath. So we'll get started in a comfortable seat. Drop your hands down on your knees or thighs, sitting up tall. Let the shoulders melt down the spine. Relax the muscles of the face. Let the arms just rest heavy, supported by your knees or your thighs. And here, just starting to bring the awareness to the breath. Exactly as it is right now. In and out through the nose. This subtle tide of breath that's always flowing through us without us even thinking about it. But then when we bring our awareness to the breath, we start to become more present. We start to drop in, focusing on our inner world, becoming more aware of the mind and body. So just for the next few moments, letting go of your agenda, letting go of anything that's happened so far in your day, letting your awareness fall on this gentle ebb and flow of the breath. In and out through the nose. And beginning to deepen the breath. So slowly and gently, just starting to lengthen out the inhale and exhale. And as you start to gently slow down the breath, notice how maybe the thoughts start to slow down. So we'll always have thoughts, we're human. But the object of meditation is to find that space in between the thoughts, that space where you are pure awareness. Releasing attachment from the thoughts and just letting them float by, just like little white clouds in your mind as you deepen the breath. And here, just start to check in with your body. Beginning with the body, notice how your body is feeling. Doing a scan from the feet, through the legs, through the hips and the torso. Releasing anywhere that still feels tense. Seeing if you can, with your exhale breath, soften the shoulders, soften the neck and the throat, the face. Just release muscular energy from the face and the neck. Places where we often store tension. And notice here if there's any messages that your body may be whispering to you. Do you notice you need rest, you need movement, hydration, food, connection, joy? And if nothing is coming up, no worries. Just taking a moment to listen, practicing this art of listening to our bodies. What is it that our bodies need today? How can we best nourish our bodies? Still breathing fully and deeply. And now just bringing the awareness to your inner world, your mind, and your soul. What is the state of your internal environment? Notice the state without judgment. How can you best nourish your mind and your soul today? Maybe it's taking a break, going for a walk, getting creative, calling a friend. And just taking a moment to name one kind thing that you can do for yourself today. Take a moment to just sit with this intention of nourishing the body and the mind. Keeping your awareness on the breath. In and out through the nose. The inhale, nurturing the body, filling up the body with fresh oxygen, delivering oxygen to the cells. And on the exhale, see if you can release tension from the mind or the body. Take a few more really intentional breaths, just like that. Inhale, filling up. Sense of inspiration, new energy, and on the exhale, releasing tension, releasing stress. Anything that's in the way of you nourishing your body with this meditation. Keep going with the pace of your own breath. We'll take 3 more. Energizing the body, filling up on the inhale. And on the exhale, releasing anything that you'd like to release before you start your day. When you're ready, start to bring the awareness back to the body, the space around you. Gently bringing your hands to your heart center, palm to palm. Before we open our eyes and start our day, just taking a moment to pause in gratitude for this wonderful body, this breath, this day, this life that we've been given. Setting any intentions that you'd like to carry with you through your day before you open your eyes. Anything you'd like to cultivate, create, or expand. Taking one more breath into your intention, filling up, and then taking a deep breath out. Releasing the hands down to the thighs and gently blinking the eyes open. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, rest of your week. I have more meditations on my YouTube channel, which you can get to through the link in my bio, as well as on my IGTV. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thanks. I'll see you next time.